Given a table, looks like Republicans, Democrats, and it's just a sample, 100 randomly selected people, whether they're men or women. Okay. Part A is, what is the probability that you select a man? Well, we got to total the amount of men. A probability is found by taking the number you're interested in and dividing it by the total. So the number we're interested in is the number of men. So there's 28 men that were Republicans, 10 that were Democrats, 8 that were independents. So there's 46 men out of a total of 100 people. They want it as a simplified fraction, so look, those both are even numbers, so divide the top by 2 and the bottom by 2, and that's as low as we can go. So that's the probability that we select a man. What's the probability that we select a Republican? Well, we got to find out the total amount of Republicans. 20 Republican women, 28 Republican men. There's 48 Republicans out of a total of 100 people. And then simplifying like we just did before, divide the top and the bottom by 2. Divide the top and the bottom by 2. That's as simplified as we can go because they're not even. They're not both divisible by 3, so it's unlikely something else is there, but you can check. That is simplified though. Part C, what is the probability that you do not select a Democrat? So if a person's not a Democrat, they're either Republican or independent, right? So what's the probability that we don't select a Democrat? We want to count up all the non-Democrats. So here's an easy way of doing it. There's 29 Democrat women, 10 Democrat men. There's 39 Democrats. And if there's 100 people, 100 minus 39 gives us 61 people that are not Democrats. Okay, and I think that's already simplified, that fraction. And then D, what is the probability to select a female Democrat? Women Democrats, there's 29 out of 100.